Today, I'll walk you through how to import a single page kit, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to import your single page kit so you can enhance your website effortlessly. To get started first, you'll need to access the Elementor editor. This is where the magic happens. Simply navigate to your WordPress dashboard and select the page you want to edit. Once you're in, click on the Edit with Elementor button. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar, just follow along. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, the next step is to locate the folder icon. This icon is your gateway to importing templates. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options. Look for the option that says Insert and click on that as well. This action will allow you to bring in your single page kit seamlessly. Think of it like opening a new book to a fresh page. Once you click Insert, your single page kit will be imported into your workspace. You might notice that the design elements are already laid out for you, making it easy to customize and tweak as needed. This is similar to assembling a puzzle where the pieces are already shaped for you. All you need to do is fit them together. After the import is complete, take a moment to review the layout. Ensure everything looks the way you want it to. If you need to make adjustments, feel free to drag and drop elements to your liking. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Take your time to get everything just right. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, don't forget to hit the Publish button to make your changes live. This is the moment where all your hard work pays off and your website starts to shine. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.